Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna see about that what is Talkback and how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so Talkback is a function like most of the people don't know that how to use a phone, like if they are new user to the Android phone or to something else, so they don't know that how to use phone. So the Talkback will tell you that what is this function and how it works and how you can enter and how you can exit. So this is the Talkback function exactly. So how to turn it on, you have to go to the phone settings, and after that you have to look for the accessibility. Once you go to the accessibility, you'll find this option here, Talkback. If you will go here, so if you'll see say use service, so it will be turned on. So as you guys can see, I'm in the Talkback section. So if I will tap on anything, it will tell me that how to exit, and I have to tap 2 times to get out of these things. For example, I will show you how to use it.
Navigate up button.
Like as you can hear it.
Navigate up button.
So if I double tap it, so I will get out of it. And if I will go to the home screen, so I have to actually type 2 times on everything.
Talkback off.
So that's how we can turn it off, as you saw in this video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.